This also comes as all adults are now able to get a COVID-19 booster shot. Federal officials giving the boosters the green light this week.
While the boosters may be available, there are still many Americans not vaccinated. 47 million adults in the U.S. who have not gotten their shots yet. Our Kiara Hay is joining us now to break down what's going on in Arizona after spending some time at a vaccination event today. What was it like out there?
It was really good. Actually, 500 people showed out. And I also spoke to a doctor who says the vaccine booster announcement came at the perfect time. Thanksgiving is next week. Christmas is right around the corner. And that will be because people will be traveling and getting together with their family for the holidays. But with only 54% of people in Arizona fully vaccinated, will it be harder to convince people to get a third dose?
Today at the Carl Hayden Community High School, many decided to roll up their sleeves for a third time.
I feel safe.
Maria Tarrant is a bus driver in the valley and says as soon as she was given the green light, she was ready. But while Tarrant was on her third jab, Andre Carver was making sure his 11-year-old son got his first.
And keep ourselves safe, keep him safe, because we want him to enjoy school without being in fear of getting infected.
And it seems they were not alone.
The last time they said about 500 people came and got a vaccine, so it's been a lot of people.
Gabriela Flores was a volunteer at the vaccination event. She just turned 18 4 days ago and says she's counting down the days until she can get her booster.
I'm gonna try and get it right away so I can help my family members because they're a bit scared of getting the booster shot.
Flores says some of her fully vaccinated family don't want the booster.
They don't know when it's gonna end, and then they're suddenly skeptical, wait, didn't the government say this was gonna keep me safe?
First of all, everybody go get your booster.
Dr. Erin O'Connor with Banner Health says she hopes people aren't losing faith in the vaccine because it's the best way to beat the virus. And getting it before the holidays can help ensure the only thing spread at the dinner table is cheer.
And then, make good judgments.
Dr. O'Connor says if you're feeling under the weather at all, it's best to stay home and get tested because if you're fully vaccinated, it's likely your symptoms if you get COVID-19 will be mild and it can be easily confused with a cold or a sinus infection.
Now, if you receive the Moderna or Pfizer, you can get the jab 6 months after your last dose, and that time shrinks down to 2 months if you receive the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. And when you're gathering with family and you don't know everyone's vaccination status, doctors say the best thing to do is to mask up. In the newsroom, Kiara Hay for Arizona's Family.